Here's a definitive AP Precalculus Unit Tier List in less than a minute. Now, quick disclaimer, I know what you're thinking if you haven't taken this class. Why are there only 4 units? This doesn't necessarily mean that AP Precalculus is easier than other AP classes. It just means that there's the same amount of content, just consolidated into fewer units. Now, with that out of the way, Unit 1, Polynomial and Rational Functions, I'm going to put in the light work category. If you've taken Algebra 2, which is typically a prerequisite for this class, this is pretty much a review of that content with a few new concepts, which aren't too difficult. Unit 2, Exponentials and Logs, I'm going to go ahead and put in the light work category, though the logs do make this unit a little bit more confusing than Unit 1. Unit 3 is by far the hardest unit of AP Precalc, and I'm going to put that in the consider dropping. Polars is pretty much a brand new concept, and trig there's just a lot more to introduce than what you learned in geometry. And finally, Unit 4, parametrics, vectors, and matrices, I'm going to put in the mid category. It's definitely easier than the trig and polar unit. However, there is still some new content, so it's harder than Unit 1 and Unit 2.